My name is Ryan, and I am a CIR from America working for Takikawa City in Hokkaido.
My name is Bororo. I am a CIR from Mongolia.
Today, we'd like to show you all Takikawa's unique springtime scenery. Spring in Japan is all about cherry blossoms. Hokkaido's blossoms are a bit later than Tokyo's, beginning around the end of April. Right now, it's early May, and it's finally starting to feel like spring here in Takikawa. Because Hokkaido is colder than most of Japan, cherry blossom viewing isn't quite as big here, but we still like to enjoy the blossoms when we can. Here at Ebeotsu Shrine in the north of Takikawa, and we're going to be talking with the head priest here, Mr. Takeshi Saito. So we're going to be speaking in Japanese for a little bit.
神主さん、このエベオツ神社の歴史について教えていただけますか？はい。
エベオツ神社は、明治27年に、屯田兵400個が、入植いたしまして、その屯田兵の人々が、心の拠り所として、神社を建て、天照大神様をお祭りしたのが神社の始まりです。そして、歴代の神主、また総大さん方に、守られまして、この神社は代々続いております。
ありがとうございます。
When you visit shrines in Japan, you'll usually find pairs of stone guardian lion dogs like these. These ones are at Ebeotsu Shrine are turning 111 years old this year, and they also have some other unique features that we'll talk about. This one here laughing with her mouth open is the female.
She looks really happy.
And this one with the grinning laugh is the male. Now, these laughing stone lion dogs are very rare in Japan, and it's said that their laughter brings good fortune to the people of Ebeotsu. Takikawa is also home to some of the best canola flower fields, or nanohana, in Japan, and they can be found all throughout the city. They bloom from about mid-May to early June, and they normally attract over 100,000 visitors from both Japan and overseas, hoping to see the bright yellow flowers covering the hills. Nanohana flowers spread out as far as the eye can see. At their peak bloom, they look like a great big yellow carpet. You can still see snow lingering on some of the mountains, which lends a gorgeous backdrop to Takikawa's spring scenery. And the nanohana are not only beautiful, but also delicious. You can buy lots of products made from nanohana oil, and also this ice cream is made with real petals. springtime in Takikawa really is beautiful. When I first moved here, seeing the nanohana and all the flowers was one of my favorite memories, and they're even more beautiful in person. So when it's safe to come, we really hope that you'll visit. And in our next video, we'll be looking forward to introducing Takikawa's summer to you, so we hope you'll join us then. Goodbye!